When I was in rehab 7 years ago and we walk into this room, the therapist had laid out these 12 chairs, and on this side he said, right, this is radical transformation, and on this side is no transformation at all. And I took a moment and I looked at the radical seat and I went and sat down in it. And he said to me, he said, why have you sat there? And I said, because I can't live like I've lived anymore, and I will do anything to change. The journey that it took me on, the journey of recovery, the most profound being the spiritual awakening that comes with it. The paradigm shift that goes from I'm the center of the universe to I am a part of the universe. And when I started living by those principles, my whole world changed. But here's what I learned. The world of work is just as addicted as the addict. The disease is almost identical. Organizations where shareholder return and profit and growth at all costs, right, is the modus operandi. In order for that to be sustained, the workforce must behave in an at all costs manner. When human beings are in a place of fear, they are not in a place of innovation or creativity. They can't be. They're in a place of survival and lack. What we do at Humanness, a big part of the magic of what we do is we move people from high beta brainwaves to alpha and theta. The system relaxes. The chemicals change in the body, creating the environment of creativity and flow. Using techniques, ancient human techniques, that allow for these brainwaves to shift. And when applied to groups of people, magic happens because suddenly human beings can start being human again. And they can start being creative together. Watching teams come online is one of the most beautiful things. What we've created is an experiential leadership presentation. 2 hours, highly experiential, where we can offer the ability for people to taste the magic. There is something profoundly different about how this approach works.